You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you are welcome. Yeah, guys, you're welcome. It's a girl, Uyimart. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of stubborn blackheads in your ear this 2020 without stress. But before going into this, please, if today is the first time of coming by, consider subscribing to my channel, Uyimart, and as well, click on that notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of blackheads right in your ears. You know, blackheads are actually caused by accumulation of dead skin cells, dirt, and sebum that is being secreted in your skin. So how to get rid of this is what I'm going to share with you. Let's go there.
How to get rid of blackheads in your ears. Blackheads are troublesome and irritating, and even more so when they are in your ears especially. So they can be very tender and cause mild pain, as well give the false impression that your ears. So due to too much oil secretion, dead skin cells, as I said, the sebum dead skins, once they clog, it forms blackheads. So when the sebum comes in contact with oxygen, it turns black. However, people who have a lighter skin tone can have blackheads that appear grayish or colorish, yellowish in color. So if not treated timely, blackheads can lead to painful acne. They can also get infected. So here are the top 5 ways to get rid of blackheads. The first thing is warm press. So a warm compress is also very effective at getting rid of blackheads in your ears. It can help open the clogged pores and dislodge the excess oil, dead skin cells, and impurities. So it's easier to clean out the blackheads. The second one is benzoyl peroxide. Over-the-counter benzyl peroxide cream or cleanser is also very good and effective because it helps to shrink the pores and clear the pores of impurities. Then this in turn helps get rid of blackheads and prevent recurrences. The third one is baking soda. Another effective ingredient for blackheads in the ears is baking soda, being a gentle exfoliating agent because it helps to clear the skin of impurities such as dirt and microbes. It also helps remove excess oil and unclog pores that have developed into blackheads. Fourth one is tea tree oil, which can also help to get rid of blackheads in your ears. Is an antibacterial property which helps disinfect the clogged pores and dries out blackheads easily. So also it reduces the risk of infection. The fifth one is our blackhead extractor tool. The fastest way to get rid of blackheads from your ears is by using an extractor tool. This extractor tool is easy to find in the market and is very easy.
So guys, now that we are done, don't forget to subscribe as I said and click on that notification bell to be notified. Don't forget to drop your comments on the tip that you've used so far and the one that you're about using. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on how to get rid of blackheads in their ear this 2020, because this year is a year that we're gonna flaunt everything that we have when it comes to skincare, fashion, and our lifestyle. So please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. Love you guys all. Bye.